Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. A lot of times people ask me why their map doesn't work when they're using JavaScript and Google's Map API. So today I'm going to run down a way to use your JavaScript and use Google's Map API. So the first thing you want to do is go to google.com or maps.google.com, wherever, and get your API key. That is the most important part. I don't have an API key. Well, even if I did, if I showed it to you on this video, that wouldn't be a good idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the code, and I'll put a tag that says your API key here, and you'll just know to put the API key there. Anyway, so as you can see, I have an HTML file set up here, and right now what it has is a div called Google Maps. That is Google Map, and that is the ID of the div. So in order to set up the JavaScript, I usually go to the head section, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this code. And the script source is where you're going to put your API key. Right here is where you put the API key. And the next part, you're going to open up another script tag and call a function initialize. Now this initializes with the coordinates set to these coordinates here. These are the coordinates of New York City. Remember, if you have north latitude, it's positive. South latitude is negative. Same way as the west longitude is negative, and the east longitude is positive. So the one thing you want to change here is this part right here where it says get element by ID, and it says Google Map. You want to make sure this is the same as the ID of the div that you had set up. Another thing that you might want to change is this map type ID, and you want to change it to Google Maps.MapID, and I have it to roadmap, but there's 3 other types of maps you can change it to. You can get the information on Google's website. You can have it to satellite image or street view or stuff like that. And that's all there is once you just copy this code over. Oh, right, also there's a zoom function, and you want to keep it at 5 because you don't want to get too close, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do. And that's all there is to get Google Maps working with JavaScript and HTML. I'm Omar, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.